level. Now, I have never met someone who deals with cars like you, an automotive doctor. In your own words, because a lot of people, when they think about personal branding, why on earth would someone who deals with cars want to brand themselves? So in your own words, please describe what is personal branding to you.
Personal branding, it's a game changer. It sets you apart from the crowd and from every person. In an era whereby attention is fading away in minutes, you need that branding. It's no longer for fame. It's no longer for clout. You need to position your brand as a professional. So to me, it is very important. Being in the industry for many years. Tomorrow I have an anniversary, 20th anniversary.
Wow, 20th anniversary, that deserves the clap. Well done.
Yeah, with this branding courtesy of Linky, I was able to give birth to a new baby called the Auto Academy. To break the cage of monopoly, whereby garages can only be run by colors.
See him after this. See him after this. Wow.
To change the way that a kid in Voi will not struggle to get an attachment. I struggled, I labored with all the, you said, certificates. Passed. I have all it takes to get a job. But I shed tears and I said, one day I'll change the way things are done in the outer world.
Yes.
And tomorrow, see you changing the world.
Wow, very inspiring. Now I want to speed it up a little bit.